What's going on, y'all? Justin with AdJustin the Fishing. Real quick announcement before the video gets started. The AdJustin to Fishing merch is now available, y'all. After the video, y'all go check out AdJustinTheFishing.com. Use code Justin2 for 20% off on all of your purchases. Let's get to the video. What's going on, y'all? Justin with AdJustin the Fishing, and today we're getting ready to do some kayak fishing. Let's get adjusted. Come here, buddy. Oh God. Okay, it's a success, y'all. All right, y'all, so today we're going to be out on the kayak again. We had a good day here. We're at Wheeler Branch in Glen Rose, Texas. Last time we had a pretty decent day, but today we're getting started a little later than I usually like to. I'm more of a breakfast fish kind of guy, and it's 1 o'clock, so I'm actually rushing to get going. But today we're fishing with all 6 cents lures. We got the 6 cents Provoke right here. It's their jerk bait. We've also got their soft plastic jerk bait. We got their soft plastic jerk bait. This is called the Flush. We're going to be giving that a shot. And on the move, we're going to be throwing the Whale. That's their paddle tail swim bait. We're going to try not to overload the kayak this time, but we'll see y'all when we're actually out on the water. I hope y'all guys can see, this is actually my first time using the head cam. I'm hoping you guys can just see how bassy this area looks, seeing as I got y'all a little bit higher sitting on the skull cam. And we're gonna go down this rock right now with the jerk. Once we notice it drops all the way off, we're going to pick up the hard jerk. I think it's time for the jerk bait, the Provoke. I think we got us one pretty quick. If we can keep them on, Oh, I just gave them slack. I couldn't keep up with them. Oh my. The grass gets difficult, doesn't it? Oh, that one's a fish. That one's gonna be a fish. It might be small, but it's a fish. Okay, chill out. Chill out, buddy. Let me grab you. Right now. Ooh. Yeah, he's gonna jump off. He's going to jump off, and I don't want to get this jerk bait in my hand. Okay. Set that down over here. There's a fish on the boat. Got him. All right. First one. That was a circus right there, but we got us one. All right. Videos of success coming in. Oh God, he is crazy. Please don't let it end up raining. Lord knows I don't want to be trying to paddle back over that way. I'm gonna dock my boat and carry the backpack and everything and just say screw it. Nah, really, I got my life jacket. Y'all be as safe as possible when doing anything like this. All right, and back with the jerk bait we go. See how shallow it is around here. And this is why I do mornings. I feel like fish go for that breakfast bite way more. They want that, you know, they ate last night, they woke up really hungry. Y'all do that? Eat something the night before, wake up so hungry for breakfast. I think that's what the fish do. So, I'm typically a morning fisherman because of that reason right there. Oh, there's a fish. Okay. Come here, buddy. Come here. Ooh, don't throw that off into me, please. Please don't do that. Yes, you're good. You're good. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Please chill out. Please don't do it. That ain't what you want to do. We're starting to get dangerous out here. Please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. Okay. Get off of there. Okay, guys, another one. Again, not the biggest. Glad we just got a message because it makes me think to take a picture. Alright, guys. Let's go, little guy. Oh, you can see so much down there. Starting to get cool wind, which could only mean one thing. That even though the weatherman said no rain, we're gonna get rain. So well, that didn't last long, guys. Oh, it said 3 o'clock. Well, yeah, that didn't last long. All right, this is like day number 3. I swear I have the worst luck when trying to use these 6 cent lures. If I say that I'm gonna use a 6 cent lure, it seems like it rains every time. Here we are again. I woke up saying, hey, I'm gonna use 6 cent lures today. It is raining again. It's probably going to rain, but for the time being, we're gonna see if we can get into anything. We've done this long enough. Let's go get us some catches. And that's why we go in backwards, y'all. All right, let's get us another one of these flush, these 6 cent flush. If y'all watch my videos, y'all know that I do the hard jerk bait thing. I've yet to get into soft jerk baits. This is actually some of my first experiences. This and one of the other videos you might have seen are my only times I've used this. Do I want the fluke? We'll wait till I'm by like some trees or grass or something and maybe try that out. We're gonna go with the whale while we're on the move. All right, y'all, this is a 6 cents whale. I got this on the owner hook, the flashy swimmer owner hook to be exact. Again, we got the head cam on today. Figure on the yak it's probably better with the head cam. Maybe on the boat I'll go back to the chest cam because I at least know for sure what I'm looking at. That was a good cast. I really thought I was gonna get rewarded. Rewards, come on now. We gotta get it all the way back. I think it bit it right from the jump. Oh, I couldn't catch. Oh, he's still on it. He's still on it. Okay. He bit it immediately, y'all. Oh, come on. Come on, guy. Come on, guy. Yes, sir. Okay. There you go, little guy, but we will take, man, that guy aggressively wanted it, like immediately, he said. All right, number one on the board, number one in your heart. All right, let's keep it going, Yeah, we're gonna hope in better weather, y'all. I've been only fishing my 6 cents lures in the worst weather. Like every time it just starts to rain. Yes. Now, I'm short because YouTube has so many critics. I'm sure somebody's gonna say something about the fact that I am using a Guggen rod I am using the Guggen rod with a 6 cents jerk bait. They can have their beef. It ain't got nothing to do with me, y'all. Y'all gonna be really mad because I'm gonna catch a fish on it. Oh, he came off. Oh, he came off. Come on. Oh, got him. Ooh. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh my God. Let's struggling with the net. Come on, buddy. Oh, chill out, chill out. I knew there was gonna be one in that tree. At least. Okay, got it. Come here, buddy. Okay. Got us one. That jerk bait, y'all. You know it. It never takes too long when you got that. Okay. We're gonna let him back in. Try to get us some more before the storm goes. All right, now y'all, let's go over here. See if we can pick through these lily pads. Maybe this is where we're gonna shine. Or maybe it's gonna break us off because I got fluoro and lily pads, y'all. So, just so you know, what you don't want to do is fish lily pads with fluoro specifically because fluoro sinks, and those lily pad stocks are tough. So what we're going to do is try not to let it sink too much, and we're going to work it through it on the top. Oh, who got him? Y'all. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, God. Okay, it's a success, y'all. It's a success. Yes, y'all, first freaking cast. Okay. All right, hold on, chill out. Okay, y'all. That turned out good. Let's get you out, buddy. Thank you, guy. All right, we're gonna stick him to. Oh yeah, get your dance on. I appreciate it. Y'all, that fish bit like instantly, y'all. Freaking instantly. So I'm gonna try to work this around the top like it's a top water lure. That way when the fish bites, I'm not all off in the stalks. And as I say that, y'all, fish goes crazy and gets it. I know y'all hear me say a lot, I wasn't ready, but y'all, when they bite like that, I am not ready. I'm not lying to you. Oh. About to throw it in some tragic stuff. Oh yeah, it bit. If I can just get it over, those trees. Oh, will you jump? Will you come over? Yeah, you came over one. Come over the other one. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh God. Okay. Settle down, boss. Oh, solid. Ugh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, y'all. Solid. Oh, yeah. When they want it, y'all. I don't know what to tell you. That I hope y'all Oh God, I know y'all saw it. I actually know y'all saw it because I saw that, yo, it, oh my God, I saw it engulf it off the top over there. I am so excited with that bite. I am so excited with that bite. Yes, sir, y'all. Solid fish. Solid. I'm actually gonna get a weight on that one. I thought about it for a second. Yeah. Oh, not even 3, y'all. Almost 214. But we saw him eat it right at the top. That was so sick. So sick. Nice. I'll let you go back. Under that tree, he's just cruising. Let's see if we see him when he comes on the other side. Oh yeah, there he is. Look at him. Let's just sit. I said, oh, we're throwing this one into the nastiest of the stuff. And it hit it on top of it. It didn't play, not for a second with it, yo. Out of that lay down right there. Nice one. Nice one on the, there's 2 of them. I shouldn't have got it in that, Justin. Oh, that's a snake. I'm gonna break my pole. Oh my God. Yeah. Off the bag cast. Oh my. Give it some drag, Justin. Oh, that's another one. That's another one on that fluke, y'all. Oh God. Let me get you up before this snake comes up here investigating what all this noise is about. I came over here trying to throw at that snake. Caught a fish. Oh God. Oh, he just slapped me. He just slapped me for it. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, God. I'm just trying to get off of this area real quick. Freaking B and C, cause soon as I come on, Justin. Where's my up there? Okay. You're in snake-infested water. I'm struggling right now. You don't know if that was a water moccasin or what. Oh, that's a solid fish, though. I know that. All right, because we're in the snake. Oh my God, look at that fish, y'all. We're in the snake water. We're gonna let him out. We're gonna let him go quick. Yes, sir. Get over there. And let's get out of this area. Y'all make sure y'all keep me in touch with the action because something happens while I got my head looking for a snake. I'm gonna need y'all to let me know everything. Because these fish have been biting on the drop, y'all. I was watching out for a snake and had a fish under my boat. All right, this will be the last cast and we're gonna go to the whale. There's one last cast I actually want to make, which is probably stupid. There's probably all kinds of stuff I don't need to get into back here. He ate it like it was a frog. They're eating it on the top, I swear. Oh, come over there. Yes, sir. Oh my God. The fluke, y'all, is going crazy right now. Come here. Come here. Let's get off of this, though. Come on, let's get off of this, though. Oh, so no snake comes over here. Oh my God. Y'all. The fluke right now. The fluke. Oh God, chill out. Chill out. Put the phone up before you get it all soaked. Oh my God. So hard to switch it up. I've already gotten bites on everything, so why can't I just stay with the fluke if I want to, right? Oh my God, they are. Holy snap. Y'all, they're tearing the fluke up on the top of the water. Oh, he went crazy. I was just gonna let you. Oh my God, okay. Okay, y'all. Switch it up or what? No, I didn't think so. Success. Yes, sir, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's my second time using a fluke. We got some action. We got some action, y'all. Caught, which my whole deal was I wanted to catch a fish on all of those three. I only got like 3. I got 5, I guess. But my rattle trap and my square bill crankbait are in Stephanie's bag, so I don't have them on me. The only 6 cents lures I had on me were the whale, the flush, and the provoke. So I wanted to see if I could get a catch with all of my 6 cents lures. We got it done. So with that being said, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all are enjoying this kayak content that I am putting out, and you know, just keeping the every Saturday vibe going, y'all. If you are not, please click subscribe. If you enjoyed anything in this video, go ahead and hit that like button. I'd very much appreciate that too. And with that being said, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your weekend. This is Justin with AdJustin the Fishing. We are out.